if this SaaS is getting a steady flow of users every single month, then there's a chance that they might be losing a few of the conversions due to the mistakes that I'm going to show you in this video. So today I'm reviewing DashingX, which is basically a platform that allows you to um, basically deliver successful marketing campaigns. Okay. First of all, as soon as you come onto the page, you can see the headline is not um, at the center, and quite frankly, it's not even like it's not the main part of the section above the fold, and this could immediately uh, turn some visitors off because it's not clear what the main part of the website is about, and they should add like a sub headline as well, because this is not enough to tell a customer or prospect what this is about. Okay, they do have a video that you can watch, but it might be helpful to actually have something more underneath it. And then if we scroll down, we can see that they talk more about the the what they do in terms of being basically a place where and brands can use to do marketing campaigns, as we talked about before. Okay, if we scroll down, they go more in depth about how it all works and all the features that they've got. Now here they've got some credibility elements as well, which is good in terms of displaying social proof to the prospects. Okay, and here they clearly explain the values of the using the software. Where before using DashingX, they were wasting a lot of time and having a high cost in terms of designing and creating materials. Um, but then the page ends abruptly. So I believe adding a frequently asked questions at the bottom of the page could help with the conversions. Now I do see that there is a FAQ page right here, but the pricing page, but you do need it to actually see the frequently asked questions on the homepage directly. Okay, they do go in depth here, and also if you look at the pricing page, you can see that you need to get a quote before you get the pricing page, but um, there's no any kind of incentive that will allow you to actually get um, to get them to provide you with the contact details, basically. Okay, so that's something that they could add, like an incentive or anything like that. But other than that, this is everything for this video. And if you run a SaaS and you're struggling to convert your users, I make breakdowns like this every day. Otherwise, you can click in the links in the description.